With the rise of artificial intelligence, especially generative AI, NVIDIA has become popular. Since 2023, NVIDIA has become the third largest market value company in the United States, following behind Microsoft and Apple. The reason why NVIDIA is so popular is also very simple. Large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT require continuous training and learning of various types of information, thus demanding high hardware computation. Meanwhile, CPUs can no longer meet the requirements of such massive calculations. CPUs operate sequentially, completing one task before moving on to the next, while GPUs, or graphics processing units, operate on a mechanism of parallel processing multiple tasks simultaneously. In other words, when high computational power is required, GPUs have a distinct advantage over CPUs. In the realm of GPUs, NVIDIA is undoubtedly the leader. In the AI chip market, NVIDIA's chips occupy about 95% of the market share, making it unmatched by anyone else. Here is what we are curious. In the chip industry, NVIDIA isn't the only player. Intel and AMD were the earliest contenders, and later on, companies like Microsoft and Apple began developing their own chips. So, why haven't they been able to challenge NVIDIA's dominant position? What exactly makes NVIDIA's AI chip stand out? Hello everyone, today at the Curiosity Club, let's delve into the three major advantages that have enabled NVIDIA to stay ahead of its competitors. Advantage 1, high-performance hardware GPUs, also known as accelerators, are designed to handle large-scale datasets. Initially, they were used in rendering images, videos, and animations. It's worth mentioning that 4/5 of GPUs dedicated to video gaming are high-performance chips from NVIDIA. With the emergence of new fields such as cryptocurrency, autonomous driving, and particularly the machine learning of AI models, there is a significant demand for computational power. This undoubtedly marks the beginning of a feast for NVIDIA. Indeed, success doesn't happen overnight, and NVIDIA has been laying the groundwork for a long time. Although NVIDIA wasn't the first company to enter the GPU market, it focused on the gaming industry from the beginning. In 1999, it released the first programmable GeForce series, which outperformed other similar products of the time. It quickly became a leader in the GPU industry. After NVIDIA realized the excellent performance of its chips in training AI models, it began focusing on optimizing the performance of AI chips. Over the past decade, its computing speed has increased by over 1,000 times. Nowadays, people are lining up to purchase NVIDIA's star product, the H100. What sets it apart from other GPUs is that the 80 billion transistors distributed across multiple processing cores in the chip are adjusted specifically for high-speed data processing rather than graphics generation. As a result, the H100 boasts a 4x increase in training speed for large language models compared to the previous generation A100 and is 30x faster in processing user prompts. Currently, NVIDIA upgrades its GPU architecture roughly every 2 years to enhance product performance. Their latest release is the Blackwell chip, named B200. With 208 billion transistors, the B200 chip offers a 5-fold increase in floating-point operation capabilities compared to the previous H100. It's evident that this is yet another race for computational power. NVIDIA understands well that you must keep moving forward. If you stop, others will quickly catch up. Advantage 2, accelerating networking. For data centers supporting AI training, the combination and interconnection of thousands of GPUs are essential. How to combine tens of thousands of computing nodes in a data center for optimal computational performance is crucial. In 2019, NVIDIA made a significant move by acquiring Mellanox for $6.9 billion. Mellanox is renowned in the industry for its InfiniBand, a data interconnect technology, and Ethernet products. The purpose of this acquisition was to integrate NVIDIA's accelerated computing platform with Mellanox's globally recognized accelerated network platform, providing efficient data center-level solutions. In other words, the optimized networking of NVIDIA chips can offer performance services that are difficult for other competitors to match. Advantage 3, CUDA. CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture, is a parallel computing platform introduced by NVIDIA in 2006 to address the complex GPU programming. On this platform, programmers can directly use common programming languages like C++ to enable GPUs to perform large-scale parallel computing tasks. From a software perspective, CUDA is a key factor in NVIDIA's AI strategy. Since the introduction of CUDA, NVIDIA has encouraged developers to develop and test AI applications on this platform, thus attracting a large number of engineers familiar with the CUDA architecture. This has undoubtedly made CUDA the de facto industry standard. Since NVIDIA is so formidable, are there any other contenders? The answer is yes. Another chip giant, AMD, launched their latest MI300 chip towards the end of 2023, which outperformed NVIDIA's popular H100 in many ways. However, relying solely on hardware performance is not enough for other competitors. The dominance of any industry leader is due to the establishment of an ecosystem centered around itself, such as Apple. Such an ecosystem forms a protective moat around the company, making it extremely costly for other competitors to breach. Buyers in the market also hope for the emergence of chip suppliers that can rival NVIDIA, giving them some leverage in price negotiations. Competitors represented by AMD need to catch up in both networking and software to have a chance of replacing this giant in the chip industry. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.